Again, I am so good at this when I'm not the one on camera. What's poppin' YouTube? This is Matt from Matt Creates. I just wrapped up my first year creating professional videos for commercial business and real estate. And to kick off my YouTube channel, I thought it'd be helpful to people to hear some advice I wish I had known in my first year as a professional videographer. Building a portfolio should be your first priority in any creative art. It is your most valuable asset when trying to leverage your abilities to a potential client or attract new business. Be prepared to spend money and time on your portfolio before seeing any profit. Make full use of your network and social circle, and even be prepared to offer some free video work to get your foot in the door. This will establish good faith with potential future clients and help to generate referrals. In my case, I was apartment touring, and I realized it would be a great opportunity to take a tour video within one of the units that I liked. Was it a little awkward to ask the concierge if I could film the unit? Yeah. Was it even more awkward to ask the concierge to be in the video? Yes. But this one experience taught me so much about the process and how to get outside of your comfort zone a little bit. My philosophy is that most, if not all, of your revenue in the first year is gonna be reinvested back in the business. Yes, this most likely means having to supplement your income with a full-time job, ideally something remote or low impact so you have energy to continue making videos. First, you're gonna wanna level up your gear, which is going to allow you to produce higher quality videos, therefore leveling up your portfolio. In turn, justifying your leveled up prices to future clients. Some things you'll want to buy to get started is paid version of an editing software, a wireless microphone kit, some decent lighting gear, and a stabilizer, just to name a few. I know big purchases can be intimidating. Trust me, I was basically raised in a TJ Maxx, but it is so important to show yourself and your clients that you are really about that life. So go crack some eggs and write them off as a business expense. Now, my main approach to client outreach is using Instagram DMs. I find it extremely accessible and takes away a lot of the anxiety and pressure behind an email and door knocking. The key is to be genuine. Instagram is home to millions of spammers and scammers, and you don't want to be wrongfully thrown in with them. Be direct, be forthcoming with your portfolio, and above all, be human. When I reach out to clients, I like to compliment them on a specific thing that I saw in their profile first. It offers a sign of good faith, but also kind of serves as a type of CAPTCHA that shows that you are a real person that actually looked at their profile and are offering some kind of feedback on it. If you just say, I like your videos, or you're doing a great job in blank industry, it feels a little disingenuous, like you just sent that copy-paste message to a million people. Don't be like that. Then, tie in what you liked about their profile with what you can offer them. Here's an example of a recent message that I sent. In this opening message, I start by mentioning something specific that I liked on their page, followed up by a collaboration idea inspired by their profile, and thirdly, I drop my portfolio link so they wouldn't have to ask for it. The worst that can happen is they don't look at it, so just send it. Talking with clients is ultimately trial and error, but with practice, you will get better and more confident. Now, go slide in some DMs. To sum it up, build a strong portfolio, invest in yourself, and be authentic when reaching out to clients. The first year is all about laying the groundwork. Now, I touched on a lot of broad concepts in this video, mostly my philosophy behind getting started. I do intend on making more specific videos, like gear reviews and editing tutorials, but please let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you'd like me to talk about. That's all, folks. Have fun out there, and keep the cameras rolling.